Well, what do we have here? We got news of the Pixel 9 Pro design language. We got renderings, we got official CAD designs of the way the Pixel, the next generation of Google Pixel, is going to look. And my God, did it look freaking awesome! I absolutely love this design. I think it's the next. It's a whole new world. Sorry, I will never sing again. It's a whole new world. It's a whole new. I think this design is striking. I think it's sleek. It's sexy. It's the next generation. It's the next evolution of Google Pixel devices, right? So yesterday we got the gray version. Let me throw it up here. Yesterday we got the gray version of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. As you can tell, got the flat sides, got the flat front display, you got the flat back panel, and you have the Pixel Fold, thank you to the viewer, a Pixel Fold style camera bar in the back. And again, it does not wrap around to either side. It's an individual island camera bar up there. Just the design looks freaking awesome. Yes, it does look like an iPhone, but so what? So what? Nothing phone has gone this route. Samsung with the new S24 series has gone this route. It is now, trust me, in 2 or 3 years, because everybody's kind of, these manufacturers are kind of moving towards this flat edge, flat side, flat mid-frame device style, right? In 2 or 3 years they'll move on to something else, and then that'll be the craze, right? Just like the curved edge displays was a hot deal back 3, 4, 5 years ago, and now everybody's going back to flat panels. Well, now they're going to flat sides. And then, as I mentioned, it's all a big cycle, right? So this was the 9 Pro, and today we got a look at the 9. This is the smaller one. I know you may think, well, that's just like the Pro, but a blue one, right? Well, that's actually the small one. That's actually the Pixel 9. And then I'm sure you're gonna look at the camera and be like, well, wait a second. The easiest way to tell is the Pro always has those 3 main sensors in the camera bar. And the smaller Pixel 8 has 2 cameras, right, in the camera bar. Well, if you're a viewer of this channel, I have mentioned on numerous occasions the roadmap, the future roadmap for Google Pixel, is they are going to incorporate the Pro versions, the Pro features, into the smaller Pixel. Now they're not going to jump into it and it's going to be a small version of the Pro and a big version of the Pro. They're slowly progressing to where all the Pro features are going to be on the small one. So you're going to get the extra camera on the small one. You're going to get the 2K display on the small one. What else? I think those are the 2 main features. Now, there's a lot of people that want a small, quote-unquote, Pro phone, just like iPhone, right? iPhone's got a 15 Pro and a 15 Pro Max. Well, Google's doing the same thing with Pixel, and they are going to implement their A series into the mix as well, and then that will be the watered down version, as it already is. But yes, the price will have to go up slightly on the base Pixel. Oh, I guess this would be the Pixel 9. Yeah, my bad. This will be the Pixel 9, right? And this is the Pixel 9 Pro. Again, same cameras, same 2K display. It's going to be awesome. And these are the official renderings, the official CAD designs in the classic, what do they call it? Bay blue or something like that? I just call it blue. I don't go with all those fruity color terms. It's blue, it's purple, it's black, or it's white, right? It's like Obsidian C or something. I don't know, whatever. It's black, white, blue, purple. So I got more. Hang on. Oh, speaking of colors, the Mint Pixel 8 Pro is being released on Friday. So here you get to see a little bit around the entire device, right? Looks nice, looks freaking awesome. Cannot wait to get it. I am planning on going to the Pixel 9 launch in San Francisco. We were invited last year, couldn't go for various reasons, but making plans now, I guess. The official invite has not been put out, but I am a we are hashtag Team Pixel, and I am a Pixel super fan. I am an official member of the Pixel super fans. So I get asked questions, they send emails. What do you like this? What do you like more about this device or that device? Or what would you add to a pro feature on here or there? And they sent an invite last year, could not go. So I'm definitely going to go to this one because I cannot wait to get my hands on this thing. Now, talking about the mint green, this one will be available Friday. Same kind of look. Remember those colors? This is the quote sea foam look, quote unquote. Where am I? Damn, it's so hard to do everything in reverse. Quote unquote sea foam Pixel 8 Pro. Well, I guess it's not. I guess they're gonna call it officially mint or minty, something with the mint in it. But what was it? The Pixel 6. They had the same color for the Pixel 6 series, and that was called Seafoam. Was it Seafoam Green? Something like that. Anyways, this will be available on Friday. I think it's only going to be available on the Google website. So it'll be Samsung has their Samsung exclusive colors. This will be a Google exclusive color. Looks cool. Now, why is all this Pixel news coming out right now? Well, it's very interesting timing, right? And I got into it briefly yesterday, but this is not by coincidence, right? Nobody snuck around and broke into the Google offices in Mountain View, California. No. It doesn't work like that. Or nobody hacked into their servers and stole these. Google puts these out. Every manufacturer does it, not Google, not just Google. Apple does it, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, nothing. Their PR department, marketing department, and their design team, or whatever, team up, make a plan, and put these out specifically in strategic moments, because the Samsung was just released, that series, the Galaxy S24, and the OnePlus 12 and 12R, may I add, which is a phenomenal device and cheap. It was just launched. So they're putting these out here, not only the new mint green color, but they're also putting out leaks of the upcoming Pixel 9. So, because everybody's going Goo gaga over the flat sides. And so Google's like, hold up, we're going to release one too. And that's telling their users, because there's some Pixel users that would like to go with that, like that flat side look, want to go with the new Samsung because it has flat sides. And Google's simply telling everybody, hold up, we got one here. Damn it, I just activated my GOOGLE. So this is strategic and on purpose, right? Nothing by accident. So more news on I'm sure more leaks are on the way. The Nothing Phone 2A, their watered down version, is going to be released here in about a month, and the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be released in a few months. So I'm sure Google, they don't really have to worry about nothing, but definitely doing it when Google ramps up its marketing and advertisements and leaks when the iPhone gets released, when the Samsung phones get released, because they're trying to cut into that market share.